In this example, we're going to look at different kinds of marginal, conditional, or joint relative frequencies. We're going to look at those different kinds here. The words joint, marginal, and conditional may not be present in the question here, and so we're going to see if we can determine if the question is asking for a joint, marginal, or conditional relative frequency. What percentage of people surveyed passed the test? Well, let's take a look. The percentage of people surveyed who passed the test. Well, do we know anything about if they completed the review sheet or not? No, we don't. So this one, we're going to be looking at the margins of the table. This one's going to be a marginal relative frequency. So the percentage of people surveyed that passed the test. Well, here's the people that passed the test right here. And we want to know the percentage. So again, we're right in the margins or on the outside. We're in either the row or the column totals. In this case, it's a column total. And all we need to do here is just take that 55 and divide it by the table total, which is 66. So we've got about 83.3%. You could list this as 83.3 repeating if you wanted to. So it's definitely marginal, and the actual percentage is 83.3. Of those who completed the review sheet, so this seems like it's a condition. We're only looking at the people that completed the review sheet. So we're only looking at this row. What percentage passed the test? So we're looking at only this row, and we want to know what percentage passed the test. Well, 50 is the number of people, and 51 completed the review sheet. We're only looking in this row, and we do not use the table total for this one. This one totally is conditional. There is a condition on which we are looking at the data. The condition is that they completed the review sheet. So if we knock this out here, we've got 50 divided by, 51, and that'll be 98%. Wow, 98% of students who completed the review sheet passed the test. And, that's a word of caution to you, a word of warning, or perhaps some extra motivation for you to get those review sheets done. All right, what percentage of people surveyed completed the review sheet and failed the test? Well, this one we've got a couple things going on, and this one will be the joint type of relative frequency. Let's look. What percentage of people surveyed completed the review sheet and, it's a big word for us, failed the test? So completed the review sheet and failed the test. That's this, and we're looking at the percentage of people, so we're going to be comparing it to the total here. So we're going to do 1 divided by 66. And that's 1.5%. Yikes! Only 1.5% of people completed the review sheet but failed the test. So boy, again, if you want to pass the test, it seems like you should probably do the review sheet.